If you want to create your own Faceless channel, especially targeting developed countries like the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, what steps do you need to take? Making videos in English is an obvious starting point, but is that all there is to it? Not quite. In addition to producing content in English, there are several other crucial factors to consider, which I'll delve into further in this video. Ultimately, your goal will be to attract audiences from these countries. But why is this important? Well, the primary reason boils down to RPM, that's money. In countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal, you might earn up to $6 per 1 lakh views. But in countries like the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, the game changes entirely. Here, your RPM can be 3 to 4 times higher. You could easily earn an average of $5 to $10 on 1,000 views on a video of the same category. Even in lower-paying niches, the potential for profit skyrockets. Whereas on a channel targeted towards the US, Canada, etc., you might earn 3 times more money with just 1 to 2 lakh views compared to what you'd earn on 5 lakh views elsewhere. Now, you might say, if it's so straightforward, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, the truth is, many people only have half the information needed to succeed in this endeavor. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'm going to share with you the 10 best faceless niches that are always in demand and trending among US audiences. And believe me, many of these categories can be incredibly beneficial for you. So, let's dive right in. So the first faceless category you can start is an AI-related news channel. You all know how fast the world of AI is evolving. And since the arrival of ChatGPT, it seems as if almost new AI tools are coming in the market every day. So to keep people updated about all these things, you can also follow the news channel related to AI. The next faceless category, which is number 2, is sports. It is a very popular category. Sports news and happenings, but do not mistake sports for cricket. It is one of the most popular sports in the US. There is NBA, which has a lot of craze, so every news related to it, news about players, videos about all these things, are seen as you can see on this channel. Number 3 on this list is mental health. Now, this topic is not taken that serious in countries like India and Pakistan, but in the US, Canada, and other developed countries, it is taken very seriously. It is an important subject about which people are quite aware in India and also watch content related to it, whether it is relationship stress, anxiety, depression, etc. Videos related to all these things are popular, and by looking at these channels, you can get an idea of their popularity and these types of videos. It is also very easy to create. With the help of AI, you can create it easily. Let's move to number 4, which is a very popular category in the US too. And even in India, there is quiz and riddles. Yes, you can see the popularity and subscribers of this channel. With just 51 videos, this channel has gained almost 4.5 lakh subscribers, and mostly on this channel, you get emoji quiz, riddle quiz. You will get to see all of them. I have already made many videos on this. You will get a complete playlist by watching the one with Canva. You can create such a channel easily, and you will get more such popular channels with riddles and quizzes. Now let's talk about number 5, which is the History channel, which talks about videos on things that happened in history, like this channel, which has 2.3 million subscribers every day. You will get to see mostly history-related facts and videos like history. Why did anything happen? When did it happen? What was the reason behind it? Mostly, you will get all the information related to it on this channel in the form of long videos. But if you want to create such a channel in shorts also, then you can do it like this. You will get to see only history-related short content on the channel, as you can see, and all this content has also been created with the help of AI. Voiceover has been added by generating AI images, and I have done it by doing a little editing. Now let's talk about 6 categories, which are health and fitness niches. This is also a very famous category, and after watching this channel, you yourself guessed that nowadays everyone likes to be active, stay physically active, and stay fit. And mostly on this channel, you will get to see health and fitness tips, workouts, and their videos. Views are also good. I have already made a video on health and fitness channel. You will get its link in the next button so you can refer to it. Now, there is another category related to this niche, which is number 7, that is home remedies. Yes, and this is also a very popular category among the people. You can guess this yourself by looking at the number of this channel. Millions of subscribers. And on this channel, you will get weight loss recipes, skin problem-related home remedies, pain relief home remedies. You will get to see videos of all these home remedies. And nowadays, where products containing so many harmful chemicals are coming in the market, people's interest in home remedies is also increasing and will continue to increase. And making these videos is also very important. It is very easy. You can create your own videos at home, or you can create such videos using stock footage and add some voiceovers. The next two categories are numbers 8 and 9. They are related to each other, but there is a very powerful and super IRPM category, meaning money is money, and the name of this category is personal finance and investing. The popularity of this category is almost equal in every country because every person manages his money well, wants to invest it in the right place so that his future can be secured and retirement planning can be done. Hence, the channels related to this are very popular, and I have also shown you the complete step-by-step creation of this in the video of Already Faceless Finance channel. How to make videos, how to find content, so do watch that video. And as I said, it is a high RPM category, so even with less views, you can make a lot of money in this category. So now moving to the last category. First, if you want to learn how to make such an animated travel map, that too just using Canva, then comment on the travel map video. Or if you want to make such videos with amazing drone shots in a 100% free method without buying any expensive drone. Also, comment drone short video. Now let's talk about the last faceless category, which is luxury. The name of this category is exactly the same as it sounds. It focuses on a very lavish and luxury lifestyle. Even if it is the lifestyle of celebrities, sports personalities, or even Pablo Escobar type people. How do these people live? Interesting facts related to their life, what expensive things they switch on, which car they drive, how big a house they live in. All this you will find in these videos. You will get to see all the facts related to these celebrities. And this category also comes in the category of super high RPM. And you can believe that in this category, you can make up to $30,000 if you get views from US, UK, Canada, and Australia. This is also a very profitable niche from countries, and you can easily make these videos using stock footage and other public domain images and videos. If you want a dedicated video on this, then comment luxury lifestyle and I will make it for you. So those were all 10 faceless channel ideas made just for the USA audience. Now, when you make your channel, you'll want to think about SEO. How can you make sure your videos show up well in one country? If you want to learn more about this stuff, just comment below for part 2 of the video. I'll make sure to make it for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.